George, Mississippi. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 588, effective until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and the following counties in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 588 has been issued from 12:25 p.m. Central Standard Time until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Mobile, and the following counties in Mississippi, George and Jackson, and the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Here's your marine forecast.